Well, we just have a short one for you today. We're still waiting on fuses and fuse holders for the solar panels, so we're held up a little bit on that video. But in this video, we'll be going to Linoma Beach to pick up a couple of kayaks that my son bought on Facebook Marketplace, and so I hope you enjoy. I'm with my son, and we're going to look at a couple kayaks for some water adventures, so stay tuned. Okay, this is a pretty sweet place here. Got your lake. Here's a look at the lighthouse.
I washed them out.
Right on. Here's a look at the kayak.
That's why they're upside down, because I didn't want.
Right on.
Every time I went to wash them, it rained. I'm like, oh my god. Last couple weeks. So we haven't used them in 2 years, to be honest.
Solid.
Yeah, these are the good ones too.
Yeah, I've been looking for a minute. Do you think it'd be easier if we do them both on top?
Yeah.
These come apart. Would you rather have them? I take them apart.
You got paddles. I'd help, but I can't reach above my head. There you go. We got them bungeed and ratchet strapped down. That ain't going anywhere. Maybe I'll get a chance to use some of these bad boys. Okay, there's the Linoma Lighthouse. They used to have a beach out here where you could come out and swim by the lighthouse. Now it's pretty much a private concern. Okay, Mike's getting busy unloading the kayaks. There they are. 2 kayaks. What are they called?
Perception Swifty 9.5s.
Yeah, we got the kayak dollies, the paddles, and 2 kayaks. Well, the kayaks have been relegated to the corner of the basement on top of my fish cat pontoons. We got the oars and the carts there. Hopefully they'll get used. But I'm the local storage unit for all the adult children who need things stored. I'm sure some of you know how that goes. Well, that'll be it for now on our kayak buying excursion. You got a good price for the 2 of them, and about, I'd say, 2/3 the cost of new, so not bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed that brief look at our new adventure on the waters with my little fish cat pontoon boat and the 2 kayaks. Me and my 2 sons should be able to have some water adventure here either later this fall or early spring. Thanks for watching.